Okay, on today's video we are going to learn how to make colors pop just like this. So we've got the red popping out against a gray background. Let's get started. Okay, so today's video we are going to kind of make a color pop image. So basically we're going to pick a color and make everything else black and white so that that color just really stands out. And this is really fun to do if you have a photo where maybe you want the background to kind of go away, be black and white, but then you want your subject to really be bright. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust the saturation and the vibrance of this. So let's see, if I go to image adjustments and I'm going to go to vibrance, I want this to be a lot more colorful than it is right now. So I'm going to bring up, because I want those reds to stand out, so I'm going to bring that saturation quite far up. So that's okay. I'm happy with that. Now I'm just going to duplicate my layer. So do a double click or a right click, duplicate layer. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select just the red and I'm going to zoom in so I can see it better. So I'm going to go to select and whoops, let me be clicked on my layer, select color range, and I just want the red. So I'm going to find this red and click on it. And now what it's doing is it's finding everything in here that's red. Okay, so you can see that there. And if I bring the fuzziness up, it starts to get a little bit around here of, stuff I don't want. So you got to adjust this. If I bring it too far down though, then it gets rid of everything. So you want to just kind of play with this slider until you're happy with that selection, and then I'm going to go okay. So there's the selection. If I take this off, uncheck the background so we can really focus on what I'm selecting, select and mask. This is what I've got. So it's just the red, like I said. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to create a new layer with layer mask. Click OK. And here we go. There it is. Now I'm going to show this again. And if you look, I've got this. I don't really want that, but there is some stuff over here that isn't selected, I feel like, that we're missing. Okay. If I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take the opacity down, and maybe that will make it easier for me to see what I want to add. Let's see. So I can see that there's some red that's missing there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on my mask. I want black first because I'm gonna take this away. So let me just get black and my brush, and I'm going to make it a little bigger, use my brackets, and I'm going to take that away. I didn't need that. I don't need that. Let's see. I kind of like the lights in the cars. I kind of like that. I'm going to take that away. That's fine. I'm happy with that. And this might look weird right now, but just hang with us. Now I'm going to switch to white. So now I want some more of this red to shine through. So I'm going to make my brackets a little, or the size a little bit smaller. And whoops, I just want that red, a little bit more of the red. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Get in there. Want that red to really shine through. And you can do as much as you want, however kind of precise you want it. I'm not going to get too crazy with it. I'm pretty happy with that. It looks pretty good. I'm going to zoom back out. And I'm going to bring the opacity back up so I can see exactly what we got. So there's my background. Now, last thing. Remember, this layer is just the red. I want that to show. I want that to be colorful. This layer with my background, I want to be black and white. So real easy, just go make sure you're on that background layer. Go up to image. Sorry about that. Adjustments and black and white. And there you go. Now it's just the red that pops out. And you kind of have like a Sin City kind of look. So there you go. Hope you liked it.